It was a day of games, raffles, and celebration. And it is sometimes hard to believe that something like this can be done in the heat of summer. Pero kahit na mainit pa ang panahon, ang mga taong involved dito have a reason to be happy, and so is the rest of the country. Dahil ang event na ito na nangyari noong April 19, 2018 was the unveiling of Fujidenzo's latest line of air conditioners na hindi lang makakatulong laban sa init ng summer, kundi makakatulong na rin sa kapaligiran at kalusugan.
Kami sa Fujidenzo ay nandito ngayon para i-present ang complete line of our HD Premium Inverter Air Conditioners. Under this product line, meron tayong window type, split type, and light commercial models like floor-mounted, ceiling-mounted, and ceiling cassette type na pasok sa kung anuman ang pangangailangan ng ating consumers. With all the air conditioner products sa market, our air conditioner stands out dahil ito ay designed with a special inverter module na nakakatulong makasave up to 60% on your electricity bill. Ang aming air conditioners have environment-friendly features that operate quietly at nagbibigay din ito ng health benefits that provide you with extra comfort while keeping your family healthy.
Kung may mahalagang bagay na ipinakita ang event na ito, is that life can really be cool with Fujidenzo.
At Fujidenzo, we only use the highest quality materials para ma-ensure ang durability ng aming mga products. Because our goal is to give the highest level of satisfaction to all our customers. Quality has always been our #1 priority in developing Fujidenzo appliances. The HD Premium Inverter Air Conditioners ay mayroong innovative features that are beneficial to all our customers. At itong technology na ito ay available din sa aming mga washers, refrigerators, chest freezers, and showcase chillers. With continuous innovation and market research, kami sa Fujidenzo will always be committed to our promise to give quality above all.